Uh, Welcome you all. In continuation with last lecture about introduction to malicious software, we are going to discuss about this virus classification. So this virus classification, we have three categories. One is boot sector infector, second one is file infector, macro virus. So what is this boot sector infector? It infects the master boot record and spreads when a system is booted from the disk containing the virus. And file infector, it infects the files that the operating system or shell considered to be executable. And macro virus, it infects the macro code interpreted by the applications. And virus classification can also be done based on the concealment. Here we have depicted the virus types. One is encrypted virus. Here it is a bulk portion of virus encrypted by some random key and decrypted by stored key when invoked. And stealth virus. What is this stealth virus? A form of virus explicitly it was designed to hide itself from the detection of antivirus software. Okay, it is very dangerous. And polymorphic virus, the third category. This polymorphic virus, it mutates with every infections. Polymorphic, it names indicates that multiple forms. Okay, so a virus that mutates with every infections and making detection by the signature of virus impossible. And then metamorphic virus, as with polymorphic virus, a metamorphic virus mutates with every infection. The difference between them is the metamorphic virus will rewrite itself completely at each iterations, increasing the difficulty of detection. So metamorphic virus may change the behavior as well as the what is that appearance. And we also have several other types of virus apart from these type, that is memory resident virus. So this memory resident virus, what it will do was it lodges in main memory as a part of resident system program. From that point on, the virus infects every program whichever executes. And also we have parasitic virus. So this is a traditional and still most common form of virus. This parasitic virus attaches itself to executable files and replicates when this infected program is executed. And other types of virus, as I said, we also have macro and email virus. This macro virus is a platform independent, and this macro virus can be easily spread virtually on all macro virus infect like Word document. This macro virus infects document, not execute. It doesn't affect the executable portion of the code. Most of the information introduced in the computer system is in the form of document and rather than a program. So this is a macro virus. And then we have email virus. The more recent development in malicious software is email virus. So it first rapidly spread email virus such as Melissa, which is made use of Microsoft Word macro embedded in an attachment. If the recipient open the email attachment, the Word macro will be activated. Then the email virus sends itself everyone a copy to the mailing list and in the user's email package. So this is what email virus. So what are all the countermeasures that can be done to overcome this virus infection is, number one is we can detect. Okay, so once the infection has occurred, we can determine that it has occurred and locate the virus. Second one is we can identify, once detection has been achieved, identify the specific what is the virus that has infected that particular program, and then we can remove it. Once the specific virus has been identified, we can remove all the traces of the program. We can remove all the traces of the program from all the infected systems. The disease cannot spread further. Okay, so that's all about the other countermeasures is we can prevent the virus infection from our system. So that's all about this virus introduction and antivirus approaches. Thank you.